I just wanted to share 3 ways that I deal with negativity. So first thing is identify what the trigger was. What was the moment? What was said? Who said it? Be aware of what caused the sort of downward spiral of how you feel. A journal is a great way for you to just sort of like emotionally dump everything. Now, while you're working on your notebook, I by no stretch of the imagination, I just want to say, don't make it a negative notebook. I just find a way to be as even keel, as balanced when recording your emotions down as you can, because I believe if you start to just dive off the deep end into the negative abyss of emotions that we can all have, sometimes it's difficult to swim back to the top of the surface and feel better. So be more like a scientist, recording the emotions and labeling it into your journal, because once you have a label, by simply labeling how I felt, I suddenly felt more in control of what was going on. So it helped to balance myself out. So first thing is identify the moment that started to sink your mood. The second thing is make sure that you take time to journal and label the feelings that you're having. And the third thing, I believe, is take action. If you take the time to move forward, whether it is doing something that you love, whether it's cleaning the house, maybe it's just diving back into the work, it is the best way to get out of those murky feelings. When I take the time to create something new, it is a hopeful action. It is also an action where I'm literally moving forward, so I'm not staying stuck in a place of negativity. I'm really just moving forward. You know, we have all these moments. Some are good, some are bad, some are just sort of, you know, daily activities, blah, whatever. But when those bad moments happen, it's so important to realize that it's just another little tick in your life experience, and that it's not going to define who you are and the whole entire like future that you have. So be mindful of that. I just decided to take action. I decided to create this new video in hopes that maybe I can help other people find a way to sleep better tonight by not having anxiety or, you know, feeling burdened by a negative event. So let me know in the comments below what you do to overcome negativity. I'd love to grow with you and see what's working for you. So this is one way that you can actively work at overcoming negativity so you sleep better tonight.